In today's video, we are asked to solve this simple math problem. Okay, that is x raised to power 4 is equal to 256 raised to power 1 over 2. So how do we solve this? It's very simple. Let me demarcate here so that it will be easy for us to solve in two places. So I have that x raised to power 4 is equal to what? 256 raised to power what? 1 over 2. Okay, now we can break 256 down. Break 256 down. 256. 2 divide, I'm going to have 128. 2 divide, I'm going to have 64. 2 divide, I'm going to have 32. 2 divide, I'm going to have 16. 2 divide, I'm going to have 8. 2 divide 4. 2 divide 2. 2 divide 1. So this is something as saying x raised to power 4 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm dividing with 2 and they are 8 in number. So I should not forget I have raised to power 1 over 2. Please don't forget I have a full video on any course at all you want, any topic at all you want in maths, physics and chemistry. I have a full video on those topics on my YouTube channel. Just go straight to the playlist side, you will see them. Okay, so what do? This will automatically take care of this to have 4 here. So I'm having that x raised to power 4 is equal to what? 2 raised to power 4. Now don't say that this will just cancel this. It is wrong to say that this just cancel this and then we have only x is equal to 2. Okay, that is correct, but that is not the only answer to this problem. So what do is that we'll just take this one to this side. So to have that x raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's have that this thing is something as saying, now don't forget that this is the same thing as saying x raised to power 2 all raised to power 2. Okay, then minus 2 raised to power 2 all raised to power 2 is equal to 0. Now 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. Now this is difference of 2 squared. Difference of 2 squared said if you have the first person squared minus the second person squared, that it is the same as saying the second plus the first and the first minus the second. Okay, so that is it. So let's do the same thing here. So this thing is the same thing as saying the first person, which is s squared, minus the second person, which is 2 squared. Okay, then in bracket of that same first person plus the second person again is equal to what? 0. Now what do here? If you look at this first one, you will see that this first one is equally another difference of 2 squares again. So this is the same thing as saying that same first person minus the second person and the first person again plus the second person, then in bracket of x squared plus 2 squared then is equal to what? 0. So what do here? And we are going to say that then when the product of things are equal to 0, automatically one of them must be 0. So we have that either x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0, or we have that x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. So from here we have that x is equal to 2, or we have that x is equal to what? Minus 2. And then the other one we're having that x squared plus 2 squared is equal to what? 0. So from here now, what do we do from here? We can simply say that x squared, we can simply say that x squared plus, we can make this to be 4, x squared plus 4, okay, is equal to 0. Then we can now have that the 4 can cross to the other side to have that, simply have that x squared, simply have that x squared is equal to what? Is equal to minus 4. Okay, so when square crosses to the other side becomes square root, so we can have that this is what? X will now be equal to what? The square root plus or minus 4. So I'm having that x is equal to what? Plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, while the square root of a negative number is I. So therefore The answers to this is x is equal to what? 2 comma minus 2 comma 2i comma minus 2i. Okay, so now let us check if all these answers are very correct. Let's check if all these answers are very correct. So we have that okay, let's start from here. That x raised to power 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 and 2 raised to power 4. Okay, from here we got that from the question we want to check if it is correct. So to check, we have that the question say that x raised to power 4 is equal to 256 raised to power 1 over 2. Okay, so now this is something as saying x raised to power 4 is equal to the square root of that 256, because raised to power half means square root. So x raised to power 4 is equal to, now square root of this will give us they are 8 in number, so 4. 2 raised to power 4, and 2 raised to power 4 is 64, right? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16. Okay, 16. So I'm having 16 here. So 16. So let's check if it's correct. Put in the first one too. So we say that x is 2. So 2 raised to power 4, is it the same thing as 16? Yes, 16 is equal to 16. Correct for the first one. So let's check for the second one. To check for the second one now, let me clean this side. To check for the second one, we'll have, so to check for the second one, which is minus 2. So we say that x raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So therefore minus 2 all raised to power 4 is it equal to 16. You know that when the negative number is raised to power even number, the negative disappears. So if the negative disappears, it's going to be just 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So and 16 is equal to 16. So the second one is equally correct. So let's check the third one. So to check the third one, permit me to clean, or let me just even draw a line. So let me just draw a line here, draw a line here. Okay, to check the third one here, I'm having that x raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So we have that minus 2, sorry, okay, 2i. Okay, well, let me check minus 2i here. Minus 2i all raised to power 4 is equal to what? 16. Let's check if it is correct. Now, negative number raised to power 4 is gone. So I'm just left with 2i raised to power what? 4, which is equal to what? 16. Let's check. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. And then I raised to power 4 is 1. I raised to power 4 is 1. Let me show you how I raised to power 4 is 1. Now, I raised to power 4 is something as saying I raised to power 2, then all squared. And we know that according to complex number, I squared is minus 1. So minus 1 all squared will just give you 1. See how I got that? So then 16 times 1 is 16. So we're having that 16 is equal to 16. So this last one is correct. So let's check this one, 2i. So we still have that x raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So therefore 2i raised to power 4 is equal to 16. So we have that what? 2 raised to power 4 is 16, and then I raised to power 4 is 1, like I just told you now. So you see that 16 is equal to 16. You see, so the answers to this question are simply 2 minus 2, 2i, and then minus 2i. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like our video, share and subscribe. And then you should take note that we have solved every topic you need, even this complex number. I have a full video on complex number. It is right there on my channel. Go straight to the playlist side. You will see all of them. So thank you very much. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye bye.